Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, decimals topic we are going to continue. So our today's concept is multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. So to multiply a decimal number by 10 or any power of 10, this in multiplication first type, in first type we are going to multiply a decimal number by 10 or any power of 10. So here, so for multiplying with 10 and any power of 10, what we have to do is move the decimal point as many places to the right as there are zeros in the multiplier. As there are zeros in the multiplier. Means multiplying a decimal number by 10 power n moves the decimal point n places to the right. So let's try to understand with the help of examples. Here we have 64.321. This is the decimal number. This decimal number we are multiplying with 10. We are multiplying with 10. Means in 10 how many zeros are there? We have only one zero. So decimal point. So we have only one zero. So decimal point, what we have to do? We have to shift one place to the right. One place to the right. Means 64 point is there. This point will come after 3. Like this, one place to the right, it will become 643.21. So move decimal point one place to the right. So why we are moving only one place? Because in the multiplier, means we are multiplying with 10. Here 10 is called multiplier. In multiplier only one zero is there. So that's why we are moving one place to the right. Suppose in the second example, 4.035. Here you are multiplying the number with 100. So multiplier is here 100. In multiplier you have two zeros. So point should move 2 places towards right. So it will become 403.5. So move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Or you have like this example, 0.0356 into 1000. You are multiplying with 1000. Multiplier is 1000 here. 3 zeros it is having. So you have to move the point towards 3 places towards right. So 1, 2, 3. Means after 5 you have to keep the point. But before 3 we have two zeros. Because if you have zeros on the extreme left position in the numerical part, that zeros will not be having any value. We can remove them simply. So we can write it as 35.6. So here decimal point is moved to 3 places to the right. Okay, like that. In multiplier, how many zeros we are having? The decimal point will move same places towards right side. Towards right side. This is the rule for multiplying a decimal number with 10 or any power of 10. Means if we have 10 power 1, we have to move only one place towards right. If we have, 1 minute. If the multiplier is 10 square, we have to move 2 places towards right. If the multiplier is 10 cube, 3 places towards right. If the multiplier is 10 power n, we have to move decimal point n places towards right. Okay. Next method. Multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number or another decimal number. Either by a whole number or by another decimal number. Okay. what we have to do means, so multiply as if there were no decimal points at all. First we have to assume there is no decimal point. Like normal multiplication, we have to do the multiplication. After that, fix the position by the rule that there are as many decimal places in the product as there are in multiplier and multiplicand put together. So after normal multiplication without decimal point, in the multiplier, how many decimal places are there? In the multiplicand, how many decimal places are there? That two we have to add and we have to keep put together for the result. In the multiplier, if we have 2 decimal places, in the multiplicand, if we have 3 decimal places, so then for the result, we have to keep 5 decimal places. For the product, we have to keep 5 decimal places. This is the rule of multiplication of decimal number with whole number or another decimal number. Let's see some examples. So here 0.3, 0.02, 0.3, 0.02. So actually 0.3 means, so left side, if we remove point, it will become 0.3. It will become 0.3. Left side 0, no value, only it is 3. If we remove point, it will become 0.02. Left side zeros, they don't have any value. It will become only 2. Means 3 into 2. How much? 6. So we are multiplying only here 3 into 2, 6. But here after point 1 decimal place is there. Here after point 2 decimal places are there. In the product also 3 2s are only 6 we are getting. In the product also we need 3 decimal places. So we can keep 2 zeros here, point, 1 more 0. So we can insert as many number of zeros as we want according to this decimal places. So 0.006. So this is the answer. So next, 7, 0.003. 7 means it is okay, but 0.003 means if there is no decimal point, we have to assume it as only 3. So we have to multiply 7 and 3. 7 and 3 how much? 21. 7 and 3 how much? 21. But multiplicand 0 place is there. Multiplier 3 places are there. In product also we need 3 decimal places, but only 2 we are having here. 1 0 we can keep. Point, 0 point, 0.021. With 3 decimal places we can write the answer. Next, 5.78 into 3. 5.78 into 3. Here 2 places, here 0 places. Which places? Decimal places. 2 decimal places, 0 decimal places. Let's multiply with 3. 3 8 times, 24. 2 remaining. 3 7 times, 21 plus 3, 2, 23. 2 remaining. 3 5 times, 15 plus 2, 17. So after 2 decimal places, we will keep a point because 2 plus 0 equal to 2. That's why 17.34. So 7.248, 3 places, 0.19, 2 places. How to multiply with 19 without decimal point? First we will multiply with 9. 9 8 times, 72. 9 8 times 72, 7 remaining. 9 4 times 36 plus 7, 43, 4 remaining. 9 2 times 18 plus 4, 22, 2 remaining. 9 7 times 63 plus 2, 65. With 1, 1 8, 1 4, 1 2, 1 7. With 0, no need to multiply. We will add all. 2, 3 plus 8, 11. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 7, 13. But here 3 places, here 2 places. 2 put together, how many places? 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 places, we have to keep a point. So like that, we can do multiplication of decimals. Next. Next, 7.248 into 400. 7.248 into 400. So 7428 into 400. So how to multiply with 400? First we will multiply with 4. 28992 is coming. Next, how many zeros we are having in the multiplier? That many zeros we will keep at the end of the product. So we have to multiply mentally, first by 4, then by 100. Then by 100. After that, what is in the question? 7 point is there. After that, how many decimal places are there? Here 3, here 0. So total how many? 3 plus 0, 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. After 3 decimal places, we have to keep a point. But after decimal point, on the extreme right, if we have zeros, then they will be having no value. In the numerical part, left side we have 0 means no value. But in the decimal part, right side zeros are there means they don't have any value. So we can remove 2 zeros. We can simply write 2899.2. 2899.2. Next example. 0.3506, 0.138. 4 places, 3 places. So what we have to do? So what we have to do first with 8. With 8 we will multiply. Next with 3. Next with 1 we will multiply. And we will add all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting only 6 places. But 4 plus 3, how many places? 7 places. So by doing the product, we are getting only 6 places. So 7th place, we can keep a 0. We can keep a 0 and 4 plus 3. After 7 places, we can keep a point here. Point here, 0 point. Like this we can write. Means because the product is 483828, it contains fewer digits than the required number of decimal places. That's why we add 1 0 on the left of the number. Left of the number, so that it will be having required number of decimal places. Like that we can do. Next. One exercise children, some problems we are having here. So 8.37 into 10. With 10, if you multiply means 8.37 into 10. With the 10, if you multiply means, what happens to it? It will move. The point will move towards right. 1 0 we are having, so it will move one place. 83.7. 83.7. Or next, see this one. So what is the question here? 0 point. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into how much? Sorry, 5, 7, 8 into how much? 1000. In 1000, we have 3 zeros. So the point will move 1, 2, 3. So 0, 0, 0, 0, point. So 0.0078. But the zeros which are on the extreme left, they don't have any value. Only 1 0 we can take. 0.0078. Like that we can write. Like that we can write. So if you observe this one, 0 1 minute children, 0.0893 0.0893 into 10,000 into 10,000. Here we are having 4 zeros. Here we are having 4 zeros. So the point will move 4 places. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 0, 0, 8, 9, 3 point. Point after we can keep 0. But left side zeros before decimal point, right side 0 after decimal point, they don't have any values. This 0, this 0, this 0 we can strike off. Simply the answer is 893. Like that we can multiply. Okay children, remaining questions you do it as a homework. Next, second Roman. Second Roman, let's do fourth question. 0.06 into 0.009. So suppose all without decimal point, if we assume them as numerals, here we are having 6, here we are having 9. So 6 9 times 54. So mentally we have to multiply 6 into 9, 54. But here 3 decimal places, here 3 decimal places. In the product, we need 6 decimal places. So we can keep 4 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 6 decimal places or before 6 decimal places, we can keep a point and we can write 0 point. Like this we can write. Or this eighth one, what is the question? 52.8 into 0.007. Let's multiply with 7 without points. 7 8 times 56. 7 2 times 14 plus 5, 19. 7 5 times 35 plus 1, 36. 36. But here 1 decimal place, here 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 decimal places. So before point there is nothing. So we can keep 0. 0.3696. Like that we can write. Next, third Roman. Let's take this question. Third question. 0.06 0.678 into 860. 678 into 860. So if we have 860, we have to multiply 678 and 86. Then we have to keep 1 0. So what we can do first with 6. 6 8 times 48. 6 7 times 42 plus 4, 46. 6 6 times 36 plus 4, 40. Next with 8. 8 8 is 64. 8 7 is 56 plus 6, 62. 62. 6. 8 6 is 48 plus 6. 8 6 is 48 plus 6, 54. 54. Let's add all. So here 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 4, 8. So 5. 5. But here in the multiplier we are having 1 0. That 0 we can keep here after multiplication. After multiplication we can keep here. So what we got? 5, 8, 3, 0, 8, 0 we have got. How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. After 3 decimal places we can keep a point. So like that we can multiply. Next, multiple choice questions, MCQ. 213 into 16 equal to 3408. Then what is 1.6 into 2.13? 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places. So in the answer, we should have point after, we should have 3 decimal places. So here 4 decimal places wrong, 2 wrong, 1 wrong, 3 decimal places. C option is the correct answer. So 1 inch, 2.54 centimeter. How many centimeters is? 100 inches. Means 2.54 into 100. 2.54 into 100. Because 2 zeros are there, point will move 1, 2 places. Means 254. After that point we have to keep, but there is no number after that. So that's why no need to keep. 254 is the answer. C option. Next, HOTS question children. 3 into 0.3, 0.003, 0.003 into 3000 equals. No need to confuse children. Without decimal point, here we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. These zeros also, no need to count. First, let's multiply only these. Let's multiply only this. 3 3 times 9, 9 3 times 27, 27 3 times 81, 81 3 times 243. Let's multiply only the numerals, not this zeros before decimal point or after the numeral. Whatever zeros are there, let's not bother about them. Let's multiply 3 3 times 9, 9 3 times 27, 27 3 times 81, 81 3 times 243. 243 we are getting. But in this numeral, we have 3 zeros after this number. So in the product, we have to keep 3 zeros. 243, 000, 2,43,000. Now, decimal places we have to count. Here 1, here 2, here 3. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 places, we have to keep a decimal point. 0 point. 0.24300. But this decimal point right side zeros, they don't have any value. So 0.243. 0.243. D option is the right answer. Next, 0.05 into 5, 0.005 into 5 equals. So 5 times how much? 25. Here 2 decimal places. Here no. Means after 2 decimal places point. So this value is 0.25 minus. Here also how much? 5 times? 25. 25. But here what? 3 decimal places. But here we are having only 2 places. 3 means we can keep 1 0. Point. After 3 decimal places, point. So we can keep 0 here. 0.025. Means 0.25, 0.025. So we can keep 1 0 here. 0 minus 5. We cannot do minus. We can take 1 borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 4 will be there. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. Point downside, point. So 0.225. So B option. 0.225 is the right answer. Okay, children. That's all for today. Division part we can learn later. Division part we can learn later. Today we learned about multiplication of decimal numbers. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you, children. Have a good day.